aduko na Aingadis na Aokot na lemada tositunga daw na wojau nese Edodor do Angetakin dunyu keda dekis na eja ya boys tina lem ya sipore tem lo arapai korot lelosi amuria. Engineer lo soma ikeda company lo Rina One Investment Limited le duki Aingadis na Geoffrey Semwanga nyesa balebe ageuna aduko na Aingadis kana Aokot erasi akesari kanyauni olapalo tomonta dop okalo lukumyari kesari diopeti konye mam Angetakin kawole kare diope kwa etoma kitere kanu aningosha che
allocated us 2.4 billion Uganda shillings. And I'm told Your Excellency raised this money during the COVID time. Our work can be in the range of 85-70 because we have finished fixing the doors, we finished fixing the toilets in those ablutions. We have so far done the tiling. Supplier, what he did, he just gave us some time to remove these scaffolds because we are going to put what we call the gutters. So what I'm saying, even the ceiling, the infrastructure, like the position where they are going to sit, we call them grids. We have also put paint. We have put 2 coats. We are left with one. When we put the switches, sockets, then we put the final touch. Ground floor was received terrazzo. It was casted. So we just have now only element of grinding. Then from there we polish. Otherwise, the rest of the work are almost done.
Kareda poni bobo iseke kinai aduko na ebe ti Angetakin akanya uni olapalo ngoneto okaulo polo konye emune ebe ebunari kakina usabiti wongonwe pontos.
As I speak to you, our time expired on the 8th of April.
Okay.
Now it is us who are being demanded to please give us the work. And we are doing everything within our means to see that at least we leave the place finished. You see, construction, at times when you hurry, there are things you do haphazardly, but now inside the day everything is done. We are left with the compound.
Commissioner ya PSA President Sister Mary Grace Akiror na bunit ay man aduko na ngesa buis niko kinjinias arika kinaduko na katipeti.
Abunti angon to check on service delivery and also anyono programs lo apugan nejasi soroti kedache boy shoda ay boy stado penidol so ngesi soroti regional blood bank loko pane utai Aiduk ya pay aswam kera daun konye itei ute contractor aswam ngepedor kere to de jasi bori this is now tas kesa ikon ay Angetakin ogiarde e blood bank alo aswam ko se blood bank ay gangitungalo epu kwa presence sarai boy city ne pol and it is covering a whole region bale lometi paka karamoja da kota yanga apake na shalam kina pugan anwai na kene Teso sub region a regional blood bank.
Yalama Florence amongin kana Aingadis na
yalama sana dumine blood bank alo los kana ngara kene so la karasa pugana ngara insai
Kanuka TV East Rebecca Mongin Koibuga Soroti.